Finding the perfect hairstyle can be a challenge as we age, but it doesn't have to be. Get ready because we're unveiling the secret go-to hairstyles that celebrities over 50 swear by for a classic and elegant look. These easy-to-maintain hairstyles will surely leave you feeling beautiful and youthful. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's start with short hairstyles that are perfect for women over 50. Short hair can be incredibly chic and easy to manage, making it a fantastic option for busy lifestyles. Starting with number 10, the pixie cut. This bold and stylish choice is loved by Jamie Lee Curtis and Judi Dench. The pixie cut shows off your facial features and adds a bit of edge to your style. It's low maintenance and can be styled quickly with a bit of texture cream. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding some highlights or lowlights to your pixie cut. This can add dimension and make your hairstyle stand out even more. Moving on to number 9, the classic bob. This hairstyle is a favorite among celebrities like Helen Mirren and Diane Keaton. The bob is versatile and flattering, and can be styled in various ways to suit your face shape. Whether you prefer a sleek, straight bob or a more textured, wavy look, this style is timeless. One great thing about the bob is its adaptability. You can switch from a casual look to something more polished just by changing the styling products you use. Next, we have number 8, the textured crop. Think of Sharon Stone's stylish and playful look. This cut is all about layers and texture, giving your hair volume and movement. It's perfect for adding a youthful bounce to your style. Textured crops are fantastic for women with fine hair because the layers can create the illusion of more volume. Try using a lightweight mousse to enhance the texture. Stepping into the spotlight is number 7, the layered bob. This chic and modern look is perfect for adding dimension to short hair. Celebrities like Viola Davis and Kris Jenner have made this style iconic. The layers provide movement and can be customized to flatter any face shape. For a modern twist, you can incorporate some asymmetry into your layered bob. It adds an edgy vibe while maintaining elegance. Now, let's transition to medium-length hairstyles that are both elegant and manageable. Medium-length hair offers the best of both worlds, versatility and ease of styling. Introducing number 6, the lob, also known as the long bob. Celebrities like Sandra Bullock and Cate Blanchett often sport this chic and modern look. The lob is great for a sleek and polished appearance. It's a perfect compromise between short and long hair. The lob can be styled straight for a sophisticated look, or with loose waves for a more relaxed feel. It's a versatile cut that works for any occasion. Moving forward to number 5, the shoulder-length cut. This versatile option, loved by Michelle Pfeiffer and Julianne Moore, is perfect for those who want a bit of length, but still want something manageable. It's great for adding volume and movement to your hair. Shoulder-length cuts can be easily accessorized with clips, headbands, or scarves to change up your look effortlessly. Next up, number 4 is the shag cut. Jane Fonda has rocked this look for years, and it's perfect for adding texture and volume to your hair. Plus, it's a bit edgy, just like Jane. The shag cut is playful and can be adapted to suit your personality. To keep your shag cut looking fresh, regular trims are essential. This helps maintain the shape and keeps the layers looking lively. Before we move on to the long hairstyles, stay tuned till the end because we have a bonus hairstyle that would fit women over 50 of all hair lengths, short, medium, or long. Can you guess what it is? Keep watching to find out. Now let's talk about long hairstyles that exude elegance and sophistication. Long hair can be glamorous and offers endless styling possibilities. Presenting number 3, long layers. Susan Sarandon and Goldie Hawn have made this look iconic. Long layers add movement and dimension to your hair, making it look fuller and more vibrant. It's a great way to keep long hair looking dynamic. For added volume, you can blow dry your hair with a round brush. This technique lifts the roots and gives your layers a beautiful bounce. Up next, number 2, beach waves. This relaxed and stylish look is perfect for adding a touch of glamour to long hair. Think of Jennifer Lopez. Beach waves give off an effortless vibe that's perfect for any occasion. To achieve gorgeous beach waves, you can use a sea salt spray. It adds texture and gives your hair that just off the beach look.
Of course, we have number 1, voluminous curls. Big, bouncy curls are a showstopper. Celebrities like Nicole Kidman, Julia Roberts, Oprah Winfrey, and Mariah Carey have been known to rock this glamorous look. Voluminous curls are perfect for making a statement. For maximum volume, use a large barrel curling iron and a volumizing mousse. These tools help create those stunning, bouncy curls. And now, as promised, our bonus hairstyle that suits all lengths: soft waves. Whether your hair is short, medium, or long, soft waves can give you a polished and youthful look. Celebrities like Jane Seymour, Brooke Shields, and Halle Berry have been rocking this look for years. It's all about creating a natural, effortless beauty that looks amazing on everyone. Soft waves can be achieved using a curling wand or even braiding your hair overnight. It's an easy way to add a touch of elegance to your look. Remember, the key to feeling beautiful is finding a hairstyle that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. I want to hear from you. Which of these hairstyles are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you loved this video, you'll definitely want to check out our next video too.